takes him out, grabs his mats, starts to move through. He hears a lot of people and he kind of shifts around instead of going straight out, which is really smart. He takes a little bit of storm damage doing that, but it was worth it. Drops down, builds, shoots, great shots coming in from clicks. He's low on 67 health. He knows the player is dropping down. He's going to go ahead and move up the side, start shooting him out. The player drops into his face, and he does not panic. He hits the shot, clutches up. That's an 8.5 out of 10. Clutching up any tournament with 20 people in the circle. That's pretty solid. Double header right there into a clean blue tack, 122 by the blue tack. Sees some players moving through this tunnel. He's going to try to take the ball. Opts out because he knows there's two of them. Solo into a duo situation. Drops down. Catches another player with his tack. Takes him out 158. Max damage with the blue tack. Uses the bandage bazooka to stay alive in storm. He's going to go ahead and tunnel through. Really insane mechanics. He sees someone in the storm. He starts getting tagged people in storm. Really risky play, but it works out. And he has a bandage bazooka to use. He picks up the other bandage bazooka, which is really touching. He was out of bandage bazooka, and now he has 5 shots to use. He gets back in, has 300 materials. Again, it's a solo duo, so the clutch hit is insane. Players on the low ground, he hears it, he drops down 102. I've never seen somebody hit so hard with a blue tack. Grabs the grappler, gets shot in the back, takes a little bit of damage, puts on some minis, still has the high ground. He knows his player's in the storm, he's trying to keep him in the storm. Player's looking for shots from the low ground. He's out of match, but still 1v2. Doesn't miss a single shot against 2 great players. That clip right there is a 9 of 10. FNTF, 6 for 180, starts tunneling through. More people are moving up. He has no materials. He's looking. He finds somebody in the box going for his opponent's materials. Grabs the map, drops down. This is a solo trio, 1v1v1. He has to do well here. There's 50 for it, starts being shot out. Actually, both those players are on the same team. Campfire play, drops down, catches somebody, and then shoots out the last player. That was so clutch, so smart to go back in instead of dropping in, and to find the last player, get the elimination, and even find the person standing in circle and still clutch up the boom fight. This is a 9 of 10, back-to-back 9 for Impressive work. Ladies and gentlemen, these are